What's up, folks? I'm Ned from thst, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're doing a test for CAD work. I am taking an old Intel i7 with 4th generation, 3.0 gigahertz, something like that, 8 gigabytes of RAM, K600 video card, and I'm switching it up with the RTX2000, which is about, what, 4 generations different? Now, I found out recently that all CAD work does calculations that go linearly. So for the most part, Autocad, Solidworks, all these things, they use one core. You can have a million cores, they're only going to use one core. So I'm going to take this old core unit and swap out the video card and see what kind of a difference it makes. So I was actually told if you're doing simulation and CAD work, it doesn't matter if you get a Xeon or if you get an i7, it just matters how high the megahertz is. Now, if there's anyone out there who wants to contest that, I would love to hear. Alright, we're getting a relatively responsible 21 frames per second on the, I believe it's DirectX 9. DirectX 10 at about 4 frames per second. No good, no good. DirectX 12 at about 8 frames per second. Definitely not so good. Okay, get the new card in and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so that's definitely a pitiful score. Let's try the new card. Oh my gosh, that DirectX 9 is at, yeah, it's pretty fancy, it's pretty free. By the way, we got the new card in there, right? That is just beautiful. Oh my goodness, I figured out the same reason that we can't get oh wow, that's a lot better. That is way better than 3 frames per 93 frames per second. I expected it to be good, but wow. Anyways, so the thing about Crysis is that Crysis only operates on a single CPU system, just like all of these simulations and whatnot done by CATIA and Autocad, you know, these CAD-based programs. Alright, DirectX 11 at 90 frames per second. Honestly, 12 gigabyte, I got the 12 gigabyte version. I think I might need another driver for this. DirectX 12 at 81 frames per second. Okay, that's pretty lit. So I'm going to load up SolidWorks on this and give it to an engineer, see what the difference is like, because I want to see exactly how much money do you need to throw at a system to get a SolidWorks system. So yeah, that scores a little bit better. Now, it's mentionable that, yeah, I checked the specs that they were asking for a lot of these CAD programs, and they're not asking for a particular generation. They're just saying it's got to be i7 or Xeon at 3 point whatever gigahertz. So this will get you by. I don't know why anyone would actually want to run like this. Now, I know that I'm nerfing this thing by probably having a lane issue. If anyone has any comments for me, if I've missed something here, let me know. But for now, yeah, it can be done. That's it for me. Nef from Nest Tech Bits. Like and subscribe. More importantly, folks, take care of each other, will you? Times are getting hard, right? You gotta take care of each other. Have a good one, folks.